Ever wonder how much energy it takes to lift a heavy object? Or why your car uses more fuel when you accelerate quickly? The answers lie in the relationship between work, energy, and power. Welcome back to Science Bites. Today, we'll explore how these concepts are connected and how they affect our everyday lives. First, let's define work. In physics, work is done when a force moves an object over a distance. For example, if you lift a box off the ground, you're doing work by applying force to move the box upwards. The more force you apply and the farther the object moves, the more work is done. Next, we have energy. Energy is the capacity to do work. There are different forms of energy, such as kinetic energy, which is the energy of motion, and potential energy, which is stored energy. When you lift a box, you're transferring energy from your muscles to the box, giving it potential energy. If you drop the box, that potential energy turns into kinetic energy as it falls. Finally, let's talk about power. Power is the rate at which work is done. It's all about how fast you can transfer energy. For instance, if two people are racing to lift the same weight, the person who does it faster is using more power, even though they're doing the same amount of work. That's why race cars need so much power. They need to transfer energy quickly to accelerate. So, the next time you lift something heavy or see a car speeding up, remember, work, energy, and power are all working together to make it happen. Next time on, we'll dive into the law of energy conservation and explain why energy can never be created or destroyed. Stay tuned to learn more. Like and subscribe for more bite-sized science that makes the universe easier to understand, one concept at a time.